What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to make this delicious fried pepper sauce. So the first thing you're going to add is some garlic, and then you're going to add an onion, and we're going to add the hot peppers. So here I'm using, I think they call this habanero pepper. It's very spicy. So then you're going to add tomatoes to the blender. And now we're going to add 2 cube Maggi. And we're going to blend all that together. So you're going to add some oil to a pan and add the mixture to the hot oil. After that, you're going to add some black peppers, and in this case, I added pollo seasoning and the adobo seasoning. I also added some dash. So you're going to let that fry until the water is completely evaporated, and then you can serve it with anything you would like.